welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the last video in this apartment. It's bittersweet. Today we are finishing all the cleaning. We have a couple things like right here that we need to move. There's like a couple pots and pans and then all of our cleaning supplies, but we are cleaning today. We are doing a super deep clean of the apartment. We are carpet cleaning. We are scrubbing everything down. I've done a lot of scrubbing, like I've scrubbed out all of these cabinets and whatnot, so you might not see that, but there's still stuff to be done. I want to leave it in better shape than I found it, so that is what we are doing today. And James's parents are so nice and kind, and they're gonna help us, so you might see them in and out of the video a little bit. That's who's helping us, in case you were wondering. I feel really off this week. I didn't film at all this weekend. My parents were here and I didn't even film them, but it was just kind of like crazy, and now we're kind of getting down to the last little bit of at least moving out of this apartment. There's still a lot of stuff to be done at the house, but yeah, I'm gonna take you guys around. I'm gonna show you. It looks so sad in here and so empty, but it is what it is. All right, so we have the dining room area. We have garbage stuff going on. We have my two printers, which we are gonna move. That belongs to that printer. There's stuff in there, I don't know. And then we have some plastic container lids, which we've gotta take over, some empty boxes, and some ink that needs to be recycled, and more plastic lids. We have our cleaning stuff. I need to move that boat. It broke and James is gonna fix it for me. So it is going, it's just, we haven't moved it yet. We have all that stuff we've got to pack up. Our pizza stone. There's like a couple of cups and such. And such. Then we have like all of our cleaning supplies. We have a case of water, a candle. Then we have a James. He's going back to the house, or maybe I'll just leave him here in this empty apartment.
That could be fun for about an hour.
So then we have this stuff up here, which is not going with us.
Nope, we're gonna put together a welcome basket for Joey and Rebecca to welcome them to their new apartment.
I don't think I've like really explained what's happening, so do you want to explain it?
So our lease isn't up until April, and instead of breaking our lease, my brother is getting married in a couple weeks, and so they were looking for apartments. And so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna transfer our lease to them, because apartments right now, trying to rent an apartment in the summer is really expensive, whereas if you start your lease in the winter, it's a lot cheaper. And so they're able to transfer in on our rate and just carry that through till April. So. Yeah, so we're keeping it all in the family, so it's not goodbye to this apartment just yet, because we'll be helping them move in, but it's goodbye for us and our stuff. So this is all trash. We didn't think anyone would want our pillows. They're kind of old, and you know, we need to vacuum in here and carpet clean in here. We definitely need to vacuum in here. It's looking a little gross. We have some more cleaning supplies. I've like swept out the laundry area, but I think I'm gonna mop it or like Swiffer it. Then we have the bathroom, which we've pretty much, I think James wiped down the bathtub. We've scrubbed down the toilet. I just need to sweep and mop in here, and then I will wipe these down again because we've set stuff on them. But we've also already wiped out all of these because I was trying to do that as I was packing. Then we have the closet, which is, I mean, it's whatever. And that's a shirt that belongs to James's brother, so we're leaving that for him. And then we have not another James. The world cannot handle two of you. Then moving over here, we have the guest bathroom, which I'm gonna wipe down again real quick. But we've been using the bathroom because we've been moving stuff. So anytime anybody needs to use the restroom, we just direct them here. So that's our hand towel that will need to go. I need my scrubber thing. I'm gonna scrub this out today. And then you guys, it's the empty sticky situations co-office. So we need to vacuum and carpet clean in here and like wipe down the windows and whatever. We also need like something scraped up the wall, so we're gonna take a magic eraser and try to get rid of that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I think with his parents helping, it will go by super fast. So yeah, that is what is going on today, and then when we get home we're gonna film setting up the office. But first we're gonna get rid of this apartment. I mean,
get rid of it, like clean it, and then like James said, his brother and our new sister-in-law, or will be in like a couple weeks, soon to be, probably, I don't know when this video is gonna go up, but sometime soon, this month. They'll be taking it over, so that's exciting. I'm really excited for them. This has been a really great apartment, and I think that it's gonna be great for them to start their new life, but we just have to get it cleaned. So that's what we're doing today. Are you ready to clean?
I'm ready.
You don't look ready. You're like, James is like, I don't like cleaning. So yeah, I'm gonna set up the tripod, show you guys what we're doing, and we're gonna get it done. So we are starting off in the bathroom. I really needed to wipe down the baseboards. This is the one area that I feel like gets neglected because I don't know why. I'm just really bad at remembering to wipe down the baseboards. So I'm gonna make it a habit to keep up with them in the new house, but I just needed to wipe them down. Thankfully, the only place it was kind of bad was in the bathroom, which is funny because that is the one area that I did tend to keep up with more than the rest of the apartment. But for some reason, the baseboards in bathrooms just get like way worse than anywhere else in the house. So I'm just wiping them down, and then I'm moving on to vacuuming. As I said before, the bathroom was pretty much clean, so James was sweeping while I was cleaning the baseboards, and then we mopped it later, but I don't even think we showed that. So now I'm moving on to vacuuming the bedroom. And so we had been storing stuff in here while we were moving. Like once we moved all the furniture out, everything was just kind of in this room, like on the floor. And so it just needed to be vacuumed. I mean, obviously it was going to need to be vacuumed anyway, but it definitely had stuff on it from just having boxes and every sort of thing in here. So I am just vacuuming the room up so that way James can come in with the carpet cleaner. And the apartment didn't really need to be carpet cleaned, but I always like to do this when we move out of a place and just carpet clean for the next people. Also, we did have a little bit of ink in my office from my printer, and it wasn't like a lot. It was just like a couple little spots, and the carpet cleaner picked them up and took care of all of that. So if you guys are having issues with like ink and stuff on your carpet, definitely rent a carpet cleaner if you can, because it got it up for us. So that was really nice. So James is just cleaning all the carpets. As I said, I just like to leave it better than I found it. So carpet cleaning is definitely a must for me every time we leave somewhere, because carpets just can get gross even if you vacuum them all the time. So then I'm wiping down all the windows and just trying to make them look nice. Our windows, because we were on the third floor, like it looked bad on the outside, so I could only really clean the inside, but I mean, what can you do? I don't have a ladder that big, and I can't go clean the outside of the windows, but I'm trying to make the inside at least look good. So that is what I'm doing here, just wiping it down with my Jaws window cleaner, or glass cleaner, I think is what it's called, and trying to make sure that I get all the dust and the dirt off. Thankfully, it wasn't too bad because I did keep up with this, in my everyday cleaning. So then James's dad was using this little shop vac to get all the dust off of the fan, which is one thing that I forgot to clean before we moved the bed, and obviously I'm too short to reach it, so I was glad that he brought that and was taking care of that. And then I'm just going around and finding all the spots on the wall that needed to come off and using the magic eraser for that. Thankfully, it took care of most of those spots, which is great. And then we move into the kitchen. Now this was an absolute fail because I had filmed some of this, and I guess I just forgot to hit record, so it didn't actually film. So I apologize about that, but you guys have seen my kitchen cleaning routine. This was basically the same. I was just wiping down the stove and, doing a deeper clean than I normally would, but just going in with my Jaws kitchen cleaner and wiping everything down, and then obviously taking a break to watch something on my phone for some reason, and then wiping the underneath of the microwave. So that's pretty much everything that I did. I mean, mainly, like I said, we had wiped down everything, but we just needed to carpet clean. And then the kitchen, obviously, because we were still kind of using it, but like all the cabinets and stuff, every time I moved something, I wiped it down and cleaned it out. So Thankfully, we didn't have a ton of cleaning to do in the apartment, but we still had enough. And another fail is that I like put that cleaning bottle in front of the camera while I was trying to film. I wanted this to be like a better clean with me video, but honestly at this point we were just exhausted from moving and we wanted to get it done, so I apologize for that. But don't worry, lots of cleaning videos are coming for the new house. But yeah, this was just us cleaning the old apartment. Okay guys, final walkthrough. This is so sad, but also like so exciting at the same time. So goodbye, nice bathroom. Make sure we got everything out of here. So sad. But I know it's gonna be absolutely amazing for James's brother. So, oh, it's not gonna focus in here. Goodbye bedroom, where I filmed so many YouTube videos. Goodbye weird living room that I couldn't fit the couch in. And my deck that I loved. And the guest bathroom, which is just a guest bathroom.
Oh, you're videoing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you need something?
No. I just want to see what you're doing.
I'm videoing. Do you want to be in the final walkthrough of the apartment?
Sure. I'll keep my sandals off.
Okay. In classic James, interrupting my video as always.
One
right?
last time before we move.
And then he'll interrupt me over there. This might be the saddest part. I'm gonna miss my little office. We had some good times in here. Our business
Baby,
grew.
come back. You can blame it all on me.
That was, well, interesting. Okay, so then we're gonna say goodbye to the kitchen. We're leaving all this stuff for Joey and Rebecca to start their new life. Goodbye podcast area.
Goodbye dining room. We never ate it.
Not a single meal
was eaten
in this dining room. Goodbye apartment, on to bigger and better things. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Come on our new journey of owning a house. And hit that bell notification, that way you don't miss a video.
That was the bell.
All right, we're gonna head home and start on the next video, which is the office setup. All right, we'll see you in that video. So click subscribe, bell notification, and we'll see you over there.